This is my second video. First one you should see with Pete, a black male, 6 to 5 months. It's the same. This is his brother right here, 5 to 6 months, same. Think he should be a little older, month. This is Spike. As you can see, he's way healthier. She's walking him now. Come on, boy. Let's go. You see he's posing right now. There's him right here. I have a couple more videos if you guys like this video. This is Spike part 2. Nope. Hey. Alright, and you guys should see my third video. Alright then, have a nice day. Hope you can add a like or a comment. And I'll post more videos of my dogs.